Hello and welcome back to my channel. Sanibona, ngiyanimukela futhi kuleli khasi lami lokufunda isiZulu. Namhlanje sizofunda ngomndeni, and that is family. Grandfather, umkhulu, umkhulu. Grandmother, ugogo, ugogo. Father, ubaba, ubaba. Mother is umama, umama. This one might be a little bit challenging, but I'll try and find time later on to try and explain why it has two names. Husband, umyeni or umkhwenyana. Umyeni, umkhwenyana. Wife, unkosikazi or umakoti. Unkosikazi, umakoti. Boy, umfana, umfana. Girl, intombazane, intombazane. Son, indodana, indodana. Daughter, indodakazi, indodakazi. And here's another one with two, and you can use any one of the two. So let's get to it. Brother, ubhuti, or you can say umfowethu. Ubhuti noma umfowethu. Sister, usisi, or you can say udadewethu. Usisi noma udadewethu. Uncle, umalume, umalume. Aunt, this one is another one of those which have got different names. People use different names, with the first one being a direct translation, which is auntie, or ubabekazi when it's from your father's side, umamncane or mamdala when it's from your mom's side. However, with this one, there's a lot of understanding from different areas. It depends on where you live in the country, and then it will mean different things for different people. For example, in the Mngoma family, we simply say auntie to both my father's sisters and my mother's sisters. We just say aunt. And we use mamdala or mamncane to anyone who's married to our father's brother. I hope that's clear. Cousin, umzala, umzala. Nephew or niece, umshana, umshana. Baby, ingane or umntwana, ingane or umntwana. Parents, abazali, abazali. I'm gonna be keeping all my videos simple and short, just so that you get to understand and learn bit by bit. Please let me know if you need more clarity on the comments, or maybe just let me know what would you like for me to post next and explain. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was fruitful and you're getting to understand a little bit more of isiZulu. To see more of my videos, please like and subscribe. I am Zulufulltimama. Nisale kahle, siyabonga.